form a sloppy bee. You're telegraphing all your moves. It's predictable. Game.
Take it easy, you two.
Ugh, such a gloomy Gears.
Yeah, lighten up, OP. Why don't we race? Would you like that, champ?
What I'd like is a plan to get more energon. Waiting for spawns is proving too slow.
Well, there may be a way to do both.
Go
I'm
on.
listening.
Together, we're picking up the same spawns. If we were to split up, we could win more programs individually. We'd earn energon much quicker and not risk each other's reserves.
Makes sense. But we'd be in trouble if we lose.
Sounds like someone's just worried I'll win more energon than the two of you combined.
Oh,
Nope,
there's
no, my
absolutely
spark will
no
have
way
ceased
that's
before
true.
that happens.
Sounds like a competition to me. Winner decides our next move?
All right, you're on. Everyone sync chronometers. We'll meet back here at the rotation median. Most energon wins.
Gotta go, Slowbots! Eat my dust!
Roll out.
Roll out.
All right, a race. Right up my alley. Literally.
Ah, yes, the snack-sized one. Tell me, do you think you are one bite or two?
Of course. Well, I can't think of a worse spot to race.
Yeah!
I have got to stop talking.
Whoa, take it easy! We're all friends here!
You could have fooled me, Flybot. You're supposed to be getting us intel from the Cyber City. Or are you too busy being Megatron's lapdog again?
Hey, I am working on it, but what I'm getting now is some energon to help with that endeavor.
Seems to me that what you're getting is beaten at this game.
I can fly, genius. Not really a great strategy. Ow!
I know.
Close one. I shouldn't let them talk me into these things.
Sorry, little bug. Your speed seems to be lacking. Failure awaits you. Keep still, you filthy retro rat!
Am I spoiling your view of my tailpipe, Starscream? How's this?
Enough tomfoolery! Outrageous!
What the scrap?
Yes! Another glorious win for Emperor Starscream!
Out of bounds. Return to track. Race complete. Winner, Bumblebee. Return to alt mode. Return to alt mode.
Thanks for the assist. Running out of time. Hope the others aren't struggling.
Winner, Bumblebee. Winner, Elita 1. 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 Winner, Bumblebee. Winner, Optimus Prime.
Ha! Level 3.
We're both level 5.
Ah, nuts.
Well, as the winner, I suggest we make up for our past pursuits and do a little recon.
Optimus Miss, and I'm not sure how much more sand I can take. I'm gonna be sitting here
You are
in the sand.
infuriating.
Don't like the look of that.
Move over!
Don't shove me!
Making useful observations?
Maybe if Bumblebee's cranking dome wasn't constantly in my view.
Settle down, Varmins. Best turn yourselves around. Nice and easy, huh?
Transformers still